Chamath Palihapitiya just told the world a huge secret about Tesla's future. We need to talk about it. Almost every Tesla estimate you see on YouTube and in the news, from both bears and bulls, is wrong because it doesn't take into account two important factors. One, Tesla's energy business is way overlooked. It should be at least as big as its car business, and it probably will be much bigger. Two, the robotaxi market of the future. Tesla is already in the lead in this market because it has data from 15 billion miles of roads and is growing faster than anyone else. Google, in second place, only has 25 million miles, and the gap keeps getting bigger. The company with the most data will win in the market for self-driving cars and, by extension, bot taxis, and Tesla is still ahead of everyone else. Will Tesla's stock go through the roof because of their energy business? Watch on to find out everything. Tesla, Incorporated is more than just a car company, says Elon Musk. That goal, which has been pushed aside for years because of problems with making cars, is now finally becoming clear. Between now and 2022, Musk's electric car company is working hard to become a bigger provider of energy storage for houses and the power grid as a whole. Tesla should now focus on its energy business, which includes solar and energy storage. This is a good time for them to do it because they have been putting off working on their electric car assembly line for a long time. Elon Musk has been preaching this theme for almost 2 years, ever since Tesla made a big profit in the third quarter of 2021. It took a lot of work to change where we put our resources, Tesla CEO Elon Musk told Wall Street experts in a teleconference after the company's earnings report in November. Tesla is now thought to have very fast growth that will last as long as we can imagine. Musk says it's hard to overstate how important Tesla energy will be to the company in the future, but it will definitely play a big part. It's not uncommon for Musk to say or want big things. He said that Tesla energy could become about as big as Tesla's car business, and that solar would grow the fastest of all the technologies. I think both will grow faster over time than cars, with storage coming in second, he said. They say that if you look at growth from 1 year to the next, it will be truly amazing to see such a huge jump beyond the Model 3 point. Skeptics also point to a number of other possible reasons why Musk might be in salesperson mode for the solar and energy business. In the past few years, the solar business has been linked to more bad news than good. Tesla is being sued by shareholders over its disputed purchase of SolarCity in 2016. Musk has talked about a solar roof for years, but it's not going so well yet. Its solar panel factory in Buffalo, New York, has had a lot of problems, and customers have said bad things about its solar business. Tesla is trying to make the home hardware environment more like Apple Incorporated's, which makes people who have already bought something want to buy more. A lot of Tesla users already have the triple crown of Tesla products: an electric car in the driveway, solar panels, or a Tesla solar roof on the roof, and a Powerwall home battery in the garage or outside. Tesla's main goal is to build homes that can use as little energy as possible and run on their own. The idea is to live in a house that is driven by Tesla. This dish will be brought to you in pieces. People have long thought of electric cars as a way to get into solar power because charging a car makes your electric bill go up a lot, which solar can help offset over time. Musk said in October that a house with 2 cars would have its power if both of the patrol cars were replaced with electric cars. How much was used doubled. People who buy tens of thousands of dollars worth of Tesla solar tools are strongly urged to also buy a Powerwall. So far, more than 250,000 of them have been sent out into the world. For companies that are under a lot of pressure to cut greenhouse gas emissions from coal and natural gas, Tesla's big projects are also likely to gain traction this year. Using batteries to store green energy is a good idea. The 182.5 MW Elkhorn battery energy storage system was built by PGE, E-Corp, and Tesla in the San Francisco Bay Area. It is at the utilities plant near Monterey Bay. When it goes live later this year, it will be one of the world's biggest utility-owned systems. It will be able to power about 136,500 homes for a long time. According to Tesla's website, the Megapack is their utility-scale battery product. It is a flexible system that costs around $1.4 million for a 0.8 MW battery the size of a shipping container. The Elkhorn method makes use of a lot of them. Musk's team is building a factory in Lathrop, in the Central Valley of California, so they can start making megapacks in large numbers. Elon Musk's test program for a virtual power plant is at the heart of Home and Grid. This lets people who use energy from California's three biggest utilities send it back to the grid when demand is high. A report from the California Public Utilities Commission says that Tesla members have 42 MW of batteries, which is enough to power about 31,500 homes. The business was just given permission to sell electricity straight to people in Texas. It is also putting together an energy trade team to help wholesalers buy batteries. Tesla will have to deal with a lot of problems. The company's energy goals have often been hampered by a lack of battery cells and a tough job market for skilled electricians. Big businesses as well as well-known companies that install solar and rooftop batteries, such as Sunrun Incorporated, have a lot of competition. Leaders in the energy business of the company don't stay for long amounts of time, which can cause more delays. Musk's focus on Tesla's solar roof, those shingle-sized pieces of textured glass that have photovoltaic cells inside, makes it hard for new leaders to get along with him. More than 5 years after Musk's demo models helped Tesla owners agree to buy SolarCity for $2 billion, Musk is still at it. Customers like the way the solar roof looks, but it's still expensive and hard to put on. A lot of problems came up with the deal. While Musk was chairman and biggest shareholder in SolarCity, the day-to-day running of the business was done by his cousins. All of this doesn't seem to have slowed down the real followers. Antonio Garcia, a founder of Tesla and past board member, told a Delaware Chancery Court last summer during a SolarCity purchase trial that the company hasn't changed its original goal to change the way the world makes energy. His comment was, "I think Tesla will be the General Electric of the 21st century." We've been on that road since then. Even though the robotaxi market won't be here for another 3 years, Tesla is already leading the way in changing the way energy is used. But could it get even bigger? Once more, Tesla is ahead of everyone else. At this point, it's taking the form of deregulated energy and decentralized delivery systems. Tesla will go all out. The only question is when. Elon on the energy market. Just like many people missed out when this happened with cars, I think the same number of people will miss this chance. I'm sure it won't be me, though. Chamath or Kathy would. Musk also said that starting in Q1, Tesla's full self-driving package will be offered as a subscription instead of as a one-time $10,000 add-on. This will help Tesla start making recurring revenue while it works to improve its self-driving technology. Even if use only makes a $1 trillion value double, it makes sense. Musk says it's possible that investors already think Tesla's cars will someday turn into robotaxis that make money. But the company isn't even close to having those skills yet, and Musk has a history of making big claims about new technologies. Musk said that because it's mostly just software, making $50 billion worth of cars would be the same as making an extra $50 billion. Batteries called lithium-ion are used to power Tesla's electric cars. These are the same batteries that power smartphones, computers, and other electronics. What they come up with next would be interesting to see. We can only focus on Tesla's stock for now. Many times in the past, this company has not lived up to our standards. What do you think about Tesla's plans for the future of energy? Write your answer in the box below.